In this video, I will quickly show you how to publish a project on GitHub to store and share your code online. First, go to GitHub and sign into your account. Then, click the New Repository button to create a new repository. Enter the project name, choose whether it will be public or private, and click Create Repository. Next, you can upload your project files directly through the website by clicking Upload Files and selecting files from your computer. Another option is to publish using Git through the terminal. Open your project folder and run the commands git init, git add, and git commit m message. Then connect to the repository using git remote add origin followed by the repository link. Finally, use git push to publish the project to GitHub. After uploading, your project will be available online. And that's it. Now you know how to publish a project on GitHub easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.